Hello students, today we are starting new chapter work, power and energy. First I am going to give introduction about work, what is exact scientific meaning of work, in what condition work is done, what is um, positive and what is negative work, how to find work done graphically. All these informations are being given in this article. So students, please try to understand carefully. Best of luck. Be ready. Work is said to be done when a body is displaced by applying some force. In most of the cases, work is done when force is applied and displacement also takes place in same direction, but there are some cases in which force and displacements are in opposite direction, in different directions. In diagram, force is applied on a body F and displacement is S, but displacement is not in direction of force. The angle between force and displacement is theta. In such condition, we should take component of force in direction of displacement, that is F cos theta. Definition of work says that work is equal to force into displacement in direction of force, or displacement into component of force in direction of displacement. So here component of force in direction of displacement is F cos theta. So work is Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta is magnitude of vector F dot vector S. So work done can be represented in vector form by dot product, that is work is equal to F dot S, vector F dot vector S. Very clearly, work depends on three factors: force, displacement and angle between force and displacement. If no force is applied, that is F equal to 0, then work done is 0. If force is applied but displacement is not taking place, again work done is 0. If force is applied, displacement is also taking place, but displacement and force are at 90 degree, again work done is 0. So there are three conditions of 0 work. Sometimes force and displacement are such that angle between force and displacement is less than 90 degree, and if angle is less than 90 degree, value of cos theta is positive. In such condition, work is positive, and work positive means work is done by the system. But in some cases, work is done such that angle between force and displacement is more than 90 degree, and cos theta, where theta is more than 90 degree, is a negative value. In such condition, work is negative. Let us suppose bodies A and B are colliding such that A applies force on B and B applies force on A, but after collision, the whole system displaces in the direction of motion of A. Then in that condition, work done by A is positive because theta is less than 90 degree or 0 degree for A, while for B it is negative by same logic, by same reason, that is angle between force applied by B and displacement is more than 90 degree. If force is applied on a body is constant, then we can plot a graph between force and displacement. That graph will be a rectangle, not shown in this chapter or in this diagram what we are studying, but think force is applied constant and displacement is taking place. You can plot a graph between force and displacement. That graph will be a parallel line parallel to the displacement axis. So area included in the graph will be area of a rectangle, and area of that rectangle will be force into displacement. Very clearly, area of graph plotted between displacement and force represents work done. But it is very rare phenomena that work is done by a constant force. In most of the practical cases, work is done by variable force. We have already concluded that area under force displacement curve represents work. So let us take example as shown in the diagram. Some work is being done by variable force. Means graph is not a straight line but a curve. How to find work done then? To find work done, we have to find area under the curve, but we don't have any definite formula to find such type of area. Then case is simplified by dividing the shape into elements, extremely small elements. These elements are very close to small rectangles. Width of each rectangle is delta x, and corresponding forces are F1, F2, F3, F4 and so on. So area under the graph will be area of sum of these rectangles, that is F1 delta x plus F2 delta x plus F3 delta x and so on. In general, sigma F delta x, and this area will be work done. Sigma has sense of summation. You have already studied integration in calculus. Basic information of integration was given. Integration also has sense of summation. So when you are going to find area by integration, the sign of summation is replaced by sign of integration. Therefore, work done by variable force is given by integration of f dx. If you are finding work between limits x1 and x2, x1 initial displacement, x2 final displacement. If you are finding work done between displacements x1 and x2, then w is equal to definite integral with limits x1 and x2 f dx. So this final equation is the general equation for work done. This equation can be used in all conditions, whether force is constant or variable. I suppose students could understand. Students keep studying. More topics will be explained later. Thank you, students, for paying attention.